In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color of PNG/JPEG icons in Figma. If you've ever tried to recolor a PNG or JPEG icon in Figma and realized the fill control doesn't work on bitmaps, this quick workflow will save you time. It's perfect when you have a single color icon you want to match to a brand palette edit without recreating it as vectors. Start by opening your Figma project and navigating to the frame or canvas where your icon lives. Make sure the icon you're working with is a PNG or JPEG, ideally with a transparent background for the cleanest result. Zoom in a bit so you can see edges clearly. Click the icon to select it. You should see in the right-hand panel that it's an image. Keep note of where it sits in the layers panel because the order will matter in a moment. Next, draw a simple shape directly over the icon. A rectangle works for most icons, and ellipse works well for round badges. Drag it so it fully covers the visible area of your icon. Remove any stroke so you don't get an outline later. The shape should align neatly with the icon's bounds. Now change the color of that shape to the exact hue you want your icon to become. You can paste a hex code, pick from your color styles, or use the color picker. If the tint feels too strong, reducing the shape's opacity slightly will give you a softer look. Keep the shape layer above or below the icon as needed. We'll handle the correct order in the next step. With both the icon and the colored shape ready, select them together. You can shift-click on the canvas or use the Layers panel to highlight both at once. This ensures the next action applies to the pair. Finally, use it as a mask. In Figma, the topmost selected layer becomes the mask. For a recolor effect that follows the icon's silhouette, you want the icon layer on top and the colored shape underneath before you choose Use as Mask. If you apply the mask and the result looks like a solid block or your color disappears, simply reorder the two layers, placing the icon above the colored shape and apply Use as Mask again. You'll end up with a clean, single color version of your bitmap icon that preserves its transparency and contours. That's it. Quick, non-destructive, and easy to tweak later. You can duplicate this masked pair to reuse the setup, swap colors instantly, and keep your UI consistent. Congratulations, you've just recolored a PNG or JPEG icon in Figma without converting it to vectors.